Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to close a financial year here in Zoho Books. All right. Before you close the year, finalize any transactions. Ensure all invoices and bills are finalized. Okay. Also write off bad debts. You could also reconcile accounts or bank accounts to ensure all recorded transactions match your statements. Okay. Adjust inventory, record depreciation, and review and adjust other accounts. Now, once all that is checked, what you do next is to finally lock the year and close. Okay, just go ahead over to accountant right here in the left panel, click on it, and here we have the transaction locking option. So what you'll do is just click on it, and in here at the top right, you can go ahead and click on configure and select from one of these options. Okay, you have allow transaction locking with negative stock or restrict transaction locking with negative stock. Okay, if you want to, you can go ahead and read through this. If not, just hit on apply, select one option, hit on apply. Okay, now once that's done, as you can see here, we have 4 options. You have sales, purchases, banking, and accountant. Now, if you just want to lock one of these items, you can just click on the lock button besides it. Okay, click on lock, add in reason, and then hit on lock. Okay, now if you want to lock all transactions at once, you have that option right here at the bottom right. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and click on lock right here besides all transaction. Now once that's done, you're good to go. All right, now do keep in mind before closing or locking that Zoho Books right here automatically uses the closing balance from the previous fiscal year as the opening balance for the new year. If you want to restart invoice numbering for the new year, you can go ahead over to settings within the invoice module. Right here, click on it, click on invoices. Now what we'll do is just go ahead and find the prefix option. Okay, before it was located right here, but now it will be located under customization right here in the left panel. Okay, now go ahead and click on transaction number series. Okay, and here you'll have the prefix. Now you can go ahead and change the starting number and the restart number. Click on edit, like so. Go and find invoice, let's say for example, and choose yearly. Okay, that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.